Lightweight outdoor chair for camping, sporting events, and more. Compact, folding design for easy portability and storage. Constructed from powder-coated aluminum and tough polyester for durability. Roomy 15.5-inch seat and comfortable 17.5-inch height. Supports up to 225 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Good value. Great camp chair. True, the back reclines farther back than what some might find comfortable, so I did what others have done. I added a stopper. Mine is from wine cork and duct tape. It took 5 minutes. It is super light, sturdy, compact and comfortable. I am 55 and 155 pounds, so the seat height and width are great for me. Good value and I enjoy playing Mac Gyver. The 8th of March 19 used chair daily for months now. Helps me get up and out of my tent. Sturdy, comfy. Best purchase for me.